Another story we are following closely. What is happening at the St. Joseph County Probate Court? The 16 News Now I-team is digging into this question after the resignation of a judge there this week. Our team is also learning this is just one of the many shakeups in that court over the last several months. Tonight, the I-team is learning about a verbal altercation this week at the St. Joseph County Probate Court involving the court's head judge. This led to the resignation of Judge Ashley Colborn. She was one of 3 magistrates operating under Judge Laura Zappia, who was elected the County Probate Court judge last November and oversees all matters of the court and the Juvenile Justice Center. The 16 News Now I-team obtaining a copy of the resignation letter signed and sent to Judge Zappia by Judge Colborn herself, which she verifies. It reads in part, "It has been my greatest honor to serve the children and families of this community through this important work." It goes on to say, "The manner in which I was treated today by yourself was highly inappropriate and lacked professionalism. It lacked the patience, dignity, and courtesy that is required of judicial officers in our service to the public. As such, I regret to inform you that I must resign immediately." According to sources, the verbal altercation apparently came after Judge Zappia fired a court administrator Monday. Our team receiving a statement from the court saying in part, the St. Joseph County Probate Court cannot comment on employment issues. They are confidential matters.
It's everything. That's why I'm here and why I'm doing what I'm doing, is to give these children a voice.
16 News Now has spoken with Judge Colborn before due to her involvement with adoptions and other matters involving children in St. Joe County. She served as a child in need of services magistrate since 2019, which she says has been her greatest honor. And this all comes just a couple months after 16 News Now reported the resignation of another magistrate early this year.
This is a serious situation.
After he self-reported violating the state code of judicial conduct by being in a relationship with the deputy prosecutor. As a result of that, the probate court confirmed more than 850 cases may need further review. All right, so along with this week's resignation, the I-team is also getting confirmation as to who was fired yesterday. So his name is Jeff Pluntz, again, a former court administrator who served the court for about 14 years. In a statement, he said in part to me, "It is not the first of such outbursts from Judge Zappia in the short time he has been in office. The loss of Ashley Colborn as a magistrate is a serious blow to the families in this community." No word on how or even if this resignation will impact the scheduling of any future court cases.